HSM machining. Report minimum shaft length. In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to use the Report Minimum Shaft Length feature, which is available for high-speed machining. I have chosen a random geometry because this feature is useful for a very wide range of geometries. I will open the parameters to show you where the option is located on the user interface. First, make sure that high-speed machining is enabled on the Surface Paths tab, then open the Gauge Check page, in the Advanced sub-menu. This option reports the minimum shaft length that should be defined in order to reach all areas to be processed within the specified machining height limits. I will enable it, recalculate, and you can see that, during the calculation, the minimum shaft length is reported in this field down here. This feature informs the user about the length, but does not apply it in order to prevent any possible collisions. So, in this example, the minimum shaft length is around 27. I will open the UI tool settings to check whether the value is bigger or smaller than the reported value. It seems that the shaft length is 23, which means that the toolpath is not collision-free. I will simulate it to check. Notice how the holder collides with the part. I will increase the shaft length now, using a value bigger than or equal to the reported one. Now the collisions are no longer reproduced. The main advantage is that you save time by automatically obtaining the minimum shaft length for preventing the collisions.